Assalamu alaikum viewers. Let's to learn the another main type of the tissues, and the name of this type of the tissues is the muscular tissues. The main function of the muscular tissues is provide the framework, structure and locomotion to the human body. The muscular tissues is further divided into three types. The one is the skeletal muscle, the second one is the cardiac muscle, and the third one is the smooth muscle. The first one is the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles is the largest proportion of the muscular tissues. It is around 40 to 50% of the muscular tissues. The skeletal muscles is attached on the bones through the tendon. It is provide the protection and structure, and it is also help out in the movement to the body and the joints. The skeletal muscles is provide the energy to the human body in the form of the shivering to compensate the external cold environment. The skeletal muscles is around 650 different type of the muscle in the human body. The examples are the biceps, triceps, hamstring, and the back side of the thigh, and the front of the thigh is the rectus femoris, and the gastrocnemius are the second heart of the human body, which is the muscles of the leg, back side of the leg. Now the second type of the muscles is called the cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscle is the specialized type of the muscle which is make the whole structure of the heart. And the heart is made up by the cardiac muscle, and the cardiac muscles are the contractile muscles which is provide the heartbeat throughout the 24 hours to the heart. And by this heart beating, it is pump the blood from the heart to the peripheral tissues. Through the blood and the pumping mechanism of the heart, it is provide the oxygen and the nutrients through the blood to the tissues. The cardiac muscles, the ventricle muscles of the heart is more muscular as compared of the chamber of the arteriums, and the left ventricle is more muscular as compared of the right ventricles, because the left ventricle pump the blood against the gravity and is provide to the blood, pump the blood to the whole body tissues. And the cardiac muscles is equivalent, or the size of the heart is equivalent to your closed fist. Now we will learn the third type of the muscle, and the third type of the muscle is called the smooth muscle. And the smooth muscle is make the structure of the hollow organ. The whole GIT is made up by the smooth muscle, and the smooth muscle is help out in the digestion, and it is make the mechanical digestion of the food. When the bolus is reached at the stomach level, and the stomach which is made up by the four type of the smooth muscles: the longitudinal muscle, the circular muscle, the oblique muscle, and the longitudinal muscles and the circular muscle. The four type of the muscles of the stomach, it is providing the crunching of the food, so the complex food will convert into the simplest form. The smooth muscles is also found in all the blood vessels, in the arteries, in the veins, and the capillaries, which is provide the elasticity and movement of the blood from the one parts of the body to the tissues level, and from the tissues towards the heart through the veins. So this is all about the muscular tissues and the different type of the tissues: the skeletal muscle tissues, cardiac muscle tissues, and the smooth muscle tissues. For such type of the informative lecture, remain in touch with the HPA channel. And the last, I request you subscribe and press the bell icon of the press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get the new lecture as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. And the last, I request you to follow my Facebook page, Sher Muhammad Hazara, where I upload the another type of the lectures. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.